Ahmad, where are you going now?
I'm going to my village.
Where is your village?
It's near Sobhodero city. Do you go to your village?
No, I'm not from any village. I just live here in Kerper. Tell me something about your village. I heard villages are beautiful.
Yeah, that's right. My village is also beautiful. The environment of my village is free from pollution because there is no any industry in my village.
Then the air of your village must be fresh, right?
Yeah, it's fresh.
I think the smoke of vehicles pollutes the environment there.
Yeah, but it cannot affect the environment too much because people use just few vehicles. There is a lot of traffic in city and industries too. So that's why there is so much pollution in the city.
Yeah, I agree with you. Environment of village is good, but there are so many other problems in the village. The biggest problem is the problem of education. Good schools, colleges, and universities are not present there. There is no any hospital in the villages, and most of the people cannot be treated because of no hospital and they die.
Yeah, these are some issues in villages. You said you will go to Islamabad. When will you go?
Maybe in next week.
Why are you going there?
My father and my brother have some work there. I'm going just for enjoyment. I'm thinking I should study in Islamabad.
That's great. I heard the study of Islamabad is good. We both will go there together for a study. What do you say?
Yeah, that's good idea. Let me confirm from my parents.
Must tell me when you will make a decision. I'm finding colleges from today.
From where you will find.
From Google Chrome and YouTube.
Okay. Ahmad, don't you need to confirm from your parents?
Actually, my father said to me, wherever you wanna go, my full support will be with you.
That's nice.
Okay, I'm going to village now. Don't forget to confirm from your parents.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.